Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I would like to take a minute and thank you. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch Sew Very Easy videos. There are people all over the world that are part of this wonderful group. I read every single one of the comments and I try to answer all of the questions. But what's so amazing is the group that we have developed into. We help each other out. If there's a question that comes up, a lot of times it's answered even before I get a chance to read it. It's like we're a big group of people sitting around chatting and having fun and enjoying the love of sewing. I also love it when you give me ideas on what you would like to see in the videos. It's nice to know what you would like. I do want to answer a couple of questions. First of all, how do I subscribe? Well, subscribe is just a little button. You're going to be able to push that, and that just lets YouTube know that you want to see videos similar to this. And there's no cost. It's not like a magazine. You do not have any fees. Also, if you want to be notified when the videos come out, there's a little bell somewhere on the screen or around the screen. When you click that bell, what it does is it lets YouTube know that you want to be notified when the videos are released. I don't send the videos, it's automatic, it's all through YouTube. And if you don't want to ring the bell, that's fine. The videos are still going to be out always every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. The other question I'm often asked is, what is this silver plaque from YouTube behind you? Well, that plaque is awarded to a YouTube channel that has hit over 100,000 subscribers. So the plaque is not for me, it's more for you. I'm only one person. You have made up the 100,000. If I was able to send every one of you a plaque, I would, because the plaque is because of you. And I'm asked, when am I going to get the next plaque? Well, the next plaque, we need to hit 1 million, but we're going to get there. I have no worries about that. I'd also like to extend my warmest wishes for this holiday season. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you don't, I still want you to have a fabulous day. Be around the people that you love, your friends, your family, and enjoy each and every day. Thank you very much for subscribing, and thank you for your questions and your comments. I look forward to them every week. And come on back. Let's see what we're sewing or talking about next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.